In this video, I'll be showing how to replace a low beam headlight bulb on a Nissan Sentra. It is located in the engine bay and in the headlight. Let's get started. We're going to open our hood and find our way to the front portion of the engine bay. As you can see, we have a plastic cover here. It's supposed to be secured in by some clips. As you can see, ours are missing. We only have one here, and I'll be using a trim tool to remove it. Now you'd want to do the same for all the other clips. And here are the locations. Now I'm going to remove two 10mm bolts. There's one located right here by the hood rod, and one located all the way over here. Quick inspection and set them aside. Now we're going to go ahead and pull the cover up. Set it aside. I'm going to move over to the driver's side of the engine bay. I'm going to locate my airbox tube and pull it up. This is so we have access to both bulbs. Pull it out of the rubber grommet and pull these two tabs up. And pull up. Quick note, removing the airbox tube is only for the driver's side of the vehicle. Passenger side already has access to both bulbs. Now we could go ahead and make our way to our left cover. This is for the low beam bulb. Go ahead and twist counterclockwise. Move the cover and set it aside. As you can see, now our headlight bulb is exposed. I'm going to go ahead and locate the connector. As you can see, it has a tab. I'm going to pull the tab and push down. Inspect the harness for any corrosion or damage. Now I'm going to go ahead and twist my headlight bulb counterclockwise. And pull it out. There it is. Now we can go ahead and install a low beam headlight bulb. Be aware there are tabs on the headlight housing. As you can see, these are to lock the headlight bulb in. So you want to slide your headlight in and twist clockwise until you hear an audible click. Now that it's stopped, I'm going to make sure it's secure. Now I'm going to go ahead and reconnect my harness. And again, make sure it's secure. Then reinstall our cover and twist clockwise. Once it stops, give it a nice pull. Make sure it doesn't come off. Now to reinstall our air tube. Remember at the bottom you have the air resonator and you'll want this to align with it. So slide it over first. Locate your rubber grommet and slide the tab over. Then pull. And clip it in place. Now we could go ahead and reinstall our cover. Make sure to align it with the hood rod. And place it over. And now for our clips. And now to reinstall our two 10mm bolts. I'm just going to snug these down. Make sure the cover is secure. And that completes our install. Go ahead inside the vehicle and test your lights. Make sure they all function as intended. Thank you for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.